Walalin, sis atahay, sis atahay, sis atahay. Oh my gosh. Ana gurur maxawaya. I'm just kidding. It's not that bad. Ana gurur wakasa. Okay, so markas school ada afar beri. Wana beri ashka wa shaqeya. Wana homework adi sameeyo. So saad ma saadi male saadi dad hadi week saadi ya qaadi. You know? So just trying to fit time in to record these videos. I'm doing it for you. Mwah, you know what I mean? This is terrible. Who thought this was a good idea for me to speak Somali? I can just see the comments now. Just everyone, what did she just say? Telephone ke diyo ya makawato hai. Get it? Because the phone is falling. Why don't you grab it? Does anyone get that joke? I don't know. What's another one of those Somalian, yeah, that's right. I said it, Somalian. What you gonna do? What else is one of those expressions? Oh yeah, like how to say like your refrigerator's on or running. You would say, how would you say that? I know that's another weird one. It's like, is it fridge? How do you say fridge in Somali? Fridge? I don't know. What is it called? Franjerke! Okay, so it's like when you say franjerke dari, like it's on, the fridge is on. I mean, I guess that's correct. Ugh, what's another one? Oh, when people say, aloshe horoy, like my stomach is on fire. What? What does that even mean? I used to hear that and just think, Oh, also, someone please explain to me why when it's like, why is it when it's noon, right? Or like 1 o'clock, you would say lahsa, amka, tadawasa. And then you translate that in English and it's 7 o'clock. And it's really confusing when you're a first grader trying to learn time and your teacher's asking you, what does this one say? And you're like, 7 o'clock. And she's like, Decca, why do you keep doing that? It's 1 o'clock. And I'm like, well, my parents tell me it's 7 o'clock. So confusing. I don't know why it's like that. Another one I used to hear growing up is, maskada likaya. Like, who's holding your brain? Who's holding your mind? Who's holding? What is going on? Like, huh? Who's holding your head? You're holding your head. You know what I mean? I don't know. Ooh, another one is like the word for door and sun. I used to get confused. So you would say irid and like irid. And I'm probably saying the word sun wrong, but it's like the same thing. So if someone would be like irid, and I'd be like, shut off the sun. How do you expect me to shut off the sun? I'm only 8. Me making myself look like an idiot speaking Somali. Bonus, guys, I'm gonna give you a little bit of sheeko. So, gurigan matiku ana guri. Biriga ku hashiyasha sahihi inta guri. Furalisi, kilige ahai. So, minko sagali, alabdan miyashi with it. You know, I just got the keys. Kibadi. وفرحسنا ورورا يمكن ده حديث بلانكا فيريا بيسمنت كي وحاستنا دي كلي هدي أرجعوي وان بلانكا أنا كلي جوجو ربطوا يا كستومن واحد ديجوي واحد هم حوي هوسا جري بلانكا وعكسه بهوي هاي بيسمنت كي كلاش فيري وحوي أفر أي أنت دن أي وين أفر حبو وإفيريون وسصعدون and like Galesh at my backyard, it's like forest in the back a little bit. So, wafiri, wa arigi di ay sa aror. I think I left every door open. I just ran inside and locked myself in one of the rooms. Man, that was funny. Like being by myself, like hearing lightning. You know, I go from all excitement and not like having a care in the world because you know I'm enjoying. Basking in the moment of, you know, having a house. And by the way, I don't own a house. This is a renting of the house. This is not, I'm not made of money, y'all. Not yet. I'm striving towards it. But no, it was scary. Like, I didn't know. I thought they were werewolves, to be honest with you. They were so big. It was like a pack of wolves is what it was. It wasn't dogs. It wasn't werewolves. Just wolves. A pack of wolves in my backyard came from the forest somewhere just growling at me and just like... making all kinds of noise. And like it's lightning a little bit, you know, it's drizzling a little bit, it's dark a little bit outside, you know? So I don't know what this noise could be. And I turn down from the basement, just like from checking out the basement. And I see these pack of wolves, dogs, and I just jump up the stairs. I just jolt. I just go up the stairs so fast, and locked myself in one of the things. I mean, I left all the doors open. They could have came in here. I would have jumped out the window though. I would have done something. I would have figured it out. But oh my gosh, I've never been like that scared. And I don't know why. Like, I'm not scared of dogs. I think it was the fact that like they were big and unattended, like no one was attending to them. They were just wild dogs, and I was like, wow, rabies, any of the other bad things from wild dogs. I don't know. I'm just scared. I've just never been around wild dogs before. All the dogs I've seen have been on leashes, or like it's like one stray dog. You know, like a stray dog kind of looks cute. Stray dog can be lost, needs a home, not really aggressive. You don't think of stray dogs as like these violent, like. But I think of wild dogs that have no collars. They look like they've been, like those dogs look like they've been around. Like they look like they've been around traveling for 60 years, but seen some rough things. Like they look like they were just out to freaking get revenge. They needed someone to blame. I was so terrified of those dogs. Anyways, that's my Sheeko. That's my story time in translation, I guess. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, guys. I'm so happy for the 200 new subscribers. It might even be 300. 200 to 300 people that are new. Hello, welcome. I love your faces. Mwah, mwah, mwah.